Isa pong Disney showcase ang itinanghal sa City Playhouse Theatre sa Thornhill, Ontario ngayong Sabado, kung saan ibinida po ang talento ng mga kabataang Filipino-Canadians. Silipin natin sa report ni Paula Saraza.
Mga eksena sa 15 Disney films ang itinampok ng mga kabataang Filipino-Canadians sa entablado ng City Playhouse Theatre sa Thornhill ngayong Sabado.
I like all the Disney princesses, but I like Rapunzel the most.
What are you gonna sing in the show?
Part of Your World.
Ang mga ibinidang talento, hinahasa sa JDL School of Performing Arts, institusyong inilunsad ni Josie De Leon noon pang 2011.
JDL Performing Arts is pretty much a school that develops the kids in singing, dancing, and acting. So you would see everything rolled into this segment today.
Sa JDL Goes Disney Showcase, nabigyang pagkakataon ng mga kabataan na magtanghal sa harap ng publiko.
This is kind of like a Disney showcase. We are showcasing our, Cinderellas. Our song was actually "A Dream Is a Wish Your Heart Makes." So we were talking about how Cinderella felt trapped with her stepsisters and all she could do was dream.
Pero bukod sa talento sa performing arts, ayon kay De Leon, may mahalaga ring aral na napupulot ang mga bata sa paglahok nila rito.
They develop their confidence, right? And they gain friends as well. So those are the things that they learn here at the school. We try to make it fun, right? We always still try to make it fun because these are kids, right? But at least at this age, they get to learn already, because if ever they want to pursue that in the future, at least they already know how it feels like.
Nagsisilbi raw anyang plataporma ang JDL School of Performing Arts para masigurong nasusuportahan ang hilig ng mga kabataan sa sining.
Usually we start at 5 years old, as young as 5, and up to, I notice around 18. Up to 18 years old they're here. Because usually when they go on university or college, yeah, they kind of choose whatever field they want. And then whoever 18 and up, those who want to pursue performing arts, you will see that they still continue, because some of them are very active in musical theater now or in showbiz.
Hindi ito ang unang pagkakataon na nagsagawa ng Disney Showcase ang JDL Performing Arts. At dahil sa tagumpay ng bawat pagtatanghal, marami pa nilang Disney Showcase ang ibibida ng mga talentadong kabataang Filipino-Canadians. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Thornhill.